Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in Claremont, Florida, and by the South Lake Hospital where my hubby is in. So, folks, I just want to thank you so much for all those of you who have known my husband is in the hospital, but he's doing well, should be going home anytime soon. I'm thankful that um, he's been taken care of. And I am here. I'm standing here in the parking lot, and what I want to say is that, for 9 days, my husband is in the hospital, okay, and I am here with my husband. I am here for my husband, which brings me to this point. I would like to talk to those of you who, by chance, I'm not saying this is going to happen to you or it happened to you, or, chances are it will, things happen, we get sick. So I'm talking to those of you who wants to make preparation as far as, God forbid, something happens and you have